Okay, question 1.5. This is another wordy simultaneous equation that will probably be relevant to a lot of you at the start of term as you're all getting to know each other. Maybe you've gone out for some food and you've had to split the bill between you. There's always one, isn't there? There's always one whose birthday it is, and you all agree you're not going to pay. So we're gonna work this one through. So I'm going to read the question. 9 students go out for a meal to celebrate one of the students' birthdays. In the restaurant, each student puts the same amount of money on the table to pay for the meal. They all agree that the person whose birthday it is doesn't have to pay. The bill is £174, and they all agree to leave a 10% tip. Oh, it's heating up now, right? How much money does each student need to put on the table to the nearest whole pound, right? Now, how many times have you been in this situation, or you will be in this situation, and everyone around you is just freaking out because and we do it now. I go out for meals with my parents, and we can never do this. Let's do it. Let's actually be cold and cool and calculating about this, and let's treat it as a simultaneous equation, which is of course what it is, and work it out. And then you will be the hero in future of any restaurant meal, okay? And your reputation will precede you. Okay, so let's rewrite this equation, this expression. I would definitely have this answer, this question in front of you. So I have told you that the total number of students is 9, right? Okay, let me just think about this. So let's start with the total, right? Actually, this isn't even a simultaneous equation, is it? Let's work this out. Right, so the total bill, right, was 174. Always in red. It's £174, okay? Plus a 10% tip, which is the same as saying 0.1 times by £174, okay? Let's keep it in pounds and pence. So if you work that out, the total amount that you need to put on the table is £191.40. You can do that on your calculator, right? And now you've got to calculate the cost per person. So I said this was a simultaneous equation. I totally lied. I'm really sorry, everybody. This is so much more simple than that. So now you've got to calculate the cost per person, except for the birthday guy or gal, right? So that's £191.40 divided by 8 instead of 9, okay? And that is, on your calculator, £23.93. And I've asked you to express that value to the nearest whole pound. And of course, that's going to be £24. That is how much everybody has to put on the table. There you go. Stop.